So guys, if you also want to make AI 3D images for your social media's account, same like this, you can see here, these are some examples of AI 3D model for your Instagram or Facebook, your any Facebook account or social media's account. You can create or you can make a 3D AI images from your mobile phone, okay? And this is very trending right now. So I will show you in my today's video how can you create or how can you also make this 3D AI images for your social media's account from your Android mobile phone, and very easy trick, okay, for free of cost in your any smartphone. You can make same like this in 3D images for your social media's account. So how can you do this? Now first I will show you, but before that, if you are new in this channel, then please subscribe it and also press the notification bell icon for my latest videos updates. So without wasting any time, let's start this video. So guys, if you want to also make 3D AI images like this for your social media's accounts, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, etc. So how can you make this? So first of all, you have to go to your web browser, any web browser you can go in your smartphone, and then here you have to search one website in this search bar, Bing AI photo creator, okay? This Bing AI photo creator, just search this in your search engine, and this first number website, images created with Bing image creator, www.bing.com. so this website link is in my description also, so you can directly check out. And then you can see here, this is my Microsoft Bing, official Microsoft Bing, and in this bar you can see here is one space bar, search bar. So here what you have to type, you have to paste this, okay? You have to type this. So this whole I have written in my description and comment box also. So just you have to copy this whole text and then you have to paste it here, okay? In this bar you have to paste it. So this whole text is in my description and in my comment box. So just copied and you have to paste it in this box. And now you have to click on this social media, okay? You can see social media is here in this two bars. So in this social media you have to replace this, okay? Replace with, if you want to make AI images for Instagram or Facebook, whatever you like, you can simply type that, okay? For example, I want to make for Facebook, FACE, Facebook. So I will write this Facebook. So this is a very important step, watch this carefully. So after you type here Facebook, and another is here, okay? Another tab here is your name, okay? You can see this red highlight. So in this your name, simply you have to type your name, okay? My name Sohel, I will type Sohel @ and my username, okay? 378. So this is my username. So I will type this, for example, Sohel @378. Whatever your username, you can type your name, and then you have to click on this create button, okay? Create button, and now this is creating. So I will wait for 1 minute. This is creating my AI image, generating. And now here you can see, here are AI images. This is generated, okay? So I will show you. Okay, so here you can see Sohel. So this is my AI images, okay? My AI image which I have created. So another also I will show you. Okay, so here you can see, here are different images, AI images, and you can see my name also here, my name for Facebook. So I want to download this, okay? I want to download this image. So simply you have to click on this three dots icon. You can see three dots, so simply tap on this three dots and you can see download option. So click on this download button, and then you can see in this notification bar, this has been downloaded to your gallery. Okay, so you can see here guys, this AI generated image has been downloaded to my mobile gallery. So same like this you can make any AI images for your Instagram also. So if you want to make for Instagram, simply you have to again replace this Facebook to Instagram and again create. And now this for Instagram also, this is generating. So I wait here, and now you can see here, I again show you for Instagram also. So you can see here are different images for my Instagram account also. You can see this AI image and Sohel is written here in the back. So I want to also download this. So click on this three dots icon and again click on download, and again I will show you in my mobile gallery, this image has been downloaded. So this is the step guys, this is the process to create AI 3D images for your any social media accounts. And one main important thing guys, main important, first of all, if you come to this website, this bing.com website, then first you have to sign in. Okay, you have to sign in to this website from your any Gmail ID, any fake Gmail ID or secondary Gmail ID if you have. So you can simply log in or sign in from that ID, and only you can create your AI images. So this is very secure website. You can first sign in, and then also you can create AI images for your social media's account. So first of all you need to sign in. Okay, this is very important. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe. So bye bye guys.